Good day, everyone. Welcome to this, our mathematics lesson. Today, we'll be looking at rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Let's take a look at our objective to see what it is we'll try to achieve today. By the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to round two-digit numbers to the nearest 10. Why do we round off numbers? Rounding numbers help us to have an estimate of an answer. For example, when we purchase goods at a store, we can round off the cost of the items to get an estimate of what we will pay for the goods. Today, we'll be using the 100 chart and the number line to round off numbers to the nearest 10. Let's begin with our 100 chart. Let's find these numbers on the 100 chart and round them to the nearest 10. 13, 37. Which two multiples of 10 is 13 between? Which of the two is it closer to? Let's take a look at the chart. 13 falls between 10 and 20. Which of the two is it closer to? 13 is closer to 10. Therefore, the number 13 rounded to the nearest 10 is 10. Let's take a look at the 100 chart again. Now we're looking at the number 37. Between which two multiples of 10 is 37? 37 falls between 30 and 40. So 37 is nearer to 40. Therefore, the number 37 rounded to the nearest 10 is 40. Now we'll be using the number line to round numbers off to the nearest 10. Let's look at this example. Round 32 to the nearest 10. 32 falls between 30 and 40. Which of those two numbers is it closer to? It is closer to 30. Therefore, 32 rounded to the nearest 10 is 30. Let's try another one. Round 97 to the nearest 10. 97 falls between 90 and 100. 97 is closer to 100. Therefore, 97 rounded to the nearest 10 is 100. I know that was quite easy for you boys and girls, and I know you're understanding what we're doing here. Now I'm going to leave with you a little activity for you to try these using your 100 chart or the number line. I know you did well with that activity, and I know you're learning a lot about rounding off numbers to the nearest 10. Numbers rounded to the nearest 10 are good estimation to work with when solving problems. Rounding numbers also help us in estimating some number value quickly. For example, $29 can be rounded to $30 for quick calculations. Let's look at another example. Let's say you have $92. $92 would fall between $90 and $100. But for quick calculation, you would round $92 to $90. So 92 would be rounded to 90. Let's review to see if we achieved our objective. Did we round two-digit numbers off to the nearest 10? Yes, we did. I know you learned something today. Have fun doing rounding off using your 100 chart and number line. See you next time.